हेलो स्टूडेंट, मैं हूँ रूबी चौहान और आज मैं आप लोगों को क्लास 7 की ज्योग्राफी के चैप्टर 1 आवर एनवायरनमेंट के क्वेश्चन आंसर कराने जा रही हूँ। यहाँ पर आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस ब्रीफली। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, व्हाट आर द मेन कंपोनेंट ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर? द मेन कंपोनेंट ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर आर नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है, डिफाइन एटमॉस्फेयर। द एटमॉस्फेयर इज द thin blanket of air around the earth. It has 7 layers and is very dynamic in nature. ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड है, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द टर्म बायोस्फीयर? बायोस्फीयर इज द नैरो इंटरेक्टिव जोन बिटवीन द लिथोस्फीयर, हाइड्रोस्फीयर एंड एटमॉस्फेयर. All living things, both the animals and plant kingdoms, exists in this narrow one covering parts of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Question number 4 है, what are autotrophs? Autotrophs are those organisms that produce their own food directly from the environment. Answer the following question in detail. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, डिटेल के क्वेश्चन है ये। एक्सप्लेन द बायोटिक एंड अबायोटिक कंपोनेंट ऑफ द इन्वायरमेंट. So the biotic and abiotic component of the environment are as follows. Biotic component, this includes all forms of life including plants and animals. Living beings are generally found up to a height of 6 km in the atmosphere and up to the depth of 7 km in the oceans. The narrow belt of about 13 km in which all forms of living exists are called the biosphere. So abiotic के बारे में पढ़ लेते हैं. This include the following non living things, जैसे land or the lithosphere is the solid crust on which human beings, animals and plant exists. It supports plants and provide us land for agriculture and settlement and a host of valuable minerals. Next है water on the earth's surface, below it as well as in the atmosphere make the hydrosphere. It fulfills the vital human and animals and plants needs for survival. Air or the mixture of gases that envelops the earth is called atmosphere. The atmosphere has many life supporting gases which perform various vital functions. For example, the ozone layer in the atmosphere protect us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Question number 4 है, explain any one ecosystem with example. The relation between all living organisms as well as the relation of these organisms with their physical environment forms a complex system called ecosystem. A forest, a lake or a desert can be in ecosystem. The forest ecosystem. A forest ecosystem is a large area of land that's covered in trees and other woody plants and filled with living animals. There are 3 main types of forest: tropical rainforest, deciduous forest and coniferous forest. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 5, हाउ डू ह्यूमन बींग्स अफेक्ट द एनवायरनमेंट? ह्यूमन बींग्स increased and order to fulfill their needs. Humans have modified their natural environment through various activities: farming, grazing, mining, lumbering, industry, transport and constructions, and are some human activities that have changed our natural environment. This has resulted in the disruption of the ecological balance. Degradation of the environment has been brought about primarily by human interference. Therefore, we need to be sensitive and aware of the various environment problems and take care not to be destroy our environment and further. ओके, थैंक यू। आज के लिए आपका ये चैप्टर यहीं समाप्त होता है। क्वेश्चन आंसर